Most people don't know that in the USA there are different manufacturing standards for pet supplements than there are for human nutraceuticals. It's true, human-grade nutraceuticals must be manufactured according to current GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, as outlined by law by the Food and Drug Administration. This includes surprise visits from the regulators and rigorous safety and cleanliness standards. When we first started out in 2008, we were faced with a choice. Do we make pet supplements, which would be less expensive but also potentially less safe, or do we make human-grade nutraceuticals, which are way more expensive to manufacture but also safer? We chose to go the human-grade route for all of our supplements. That means that Apocaps is made to meet and exceed the highest human nutraceutical standards. Apocaps is made in the USA, and our labs are licensed and inspected by the FDA and state authorities. Every ingredient is rated human grade. Every batch of every ingredient is tested to be safe, pure, and free from contaminants. If there's any problem, the ingredient is just thrown out. Then, after Apocaps is made, it goes through further testing to be sure that nothing was contaminated in the manufacturing process. Every bottle and every box has the lot number and expiration date printed on the label so that you can always tell exactly when your bottle was made. And we set our expiration dates to 2 years from the date of manufacture, even though our products are shelf stable for 3 years. We want to be extra sure that your dog is getting the freshest product possible. This is also why we manufacture in small batches, more often, to make sure that there is always fresh product available. Yes, it costs more, but we think it's part of our secret formula. These rigorous standards are important to us because dogs are important to us. At Functional Nutriments, we believe dogs are people too, and they deserve a long, healthy life.